shit from the text.
Time for some development. Okay. Just steal some code. Blindly hope that it works. Hey Cappy, hey Gel. Ooh. 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 Okay, this sucks. Smooth step sucks. How do I do linear step? Thanks for the bit, Cappy. Thanks for the sub, by the way. You were out. I was out when you subbed. I appreciate it. You really don't have to do that, considering you're still trying to get, you know, art supplies, but thank you. Thank you very much. I've added a bunch of shit to the game since I last streamed it. But it's mainly nothing too new in terms of how it's played. But now you can actually play this on your phone because I added. Wait, that's doing the wrong thing. That spawns the wrong thing. I just realized. Anyways, yeah, we have a UI now, and the UI works. Need to add one other thing and then it'll be fully playable on the phone without even having to download an APK. Well, this assumes your phone supports WebGL. Yeah, I did a late stream. It's alright. Okay, let's fix this real quick because that was a silly thing. Baller should spawn baller, but which one is baller? Single, single. Then I mix up what single and baller were in the piece spawner. Baller, baller, single, single. Well then why are these flipped? Let's go back to scene. Take a look here. Baller, single. Well, there's your issue. I'm naming them wrong. This is baller. And this is single. Change this back to single. And this one to baller. Okay, cool. I'm gonna try to start drawing digitally if Microsoft locked me out of my account. Well, that sucks, but yes, Microsoft has really shitty account management stuff. Not surprising. Okay, math F. Step, smooth step. Interpolate 2 minutes with smoothing at the limits. But what if I want to interpolate without the smoothing? Interpolate. Slurp. Slurp. Oh, jeez. Alright, well, let's change this to 0.1. That doesn't fix a thing, okay. Oh, that's because it's public. Camera, duration, 0.1, hit play. Yeah, oh, that's fucking great. Hell yes. All right, set that up for the other one and we'll see it. Could I, is there, maybe I should. This is still the important part though. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna say, put this up here. And then we'll do this. And we can say if not equal to 0, we'll make a copy of this. Put it here, say less than, change this to a plus. And I think that'll do it. Yeah, pretty sure I'll do it. That's all we needed. Cutting back on the code, very nice. Hit the play button and see if it works. Oh, I'm so glad Banana Man is here. I no longer have to fear. All right, now we have smooth. Smooth zooms. The smooth zoom seems to work fine with, yeah, it seems to be doing everything smooth. Sweet. Alright, now zooming doesn't suck. Although it is possible to fuck with it just a little bit. Oh, it's got a little too close. Oh, it flipped, it got so close. Okay. Since it's possible to fuck with it, let's change these limits and push them somewhere else. Right, so if you go really, really fast. Or maybe I'll just leave it as a bug. I don't know. Yeah, I've heard about some real windy weather around. Oh, that's not good. Oh no. Oh boy, that's real bad. Why does that happen? Let's grab from our prefabs the Volga piece. Take a look at okay, it flips like that. But wait a minute, does that mean so when this flips, it inverts like this? Okay, so why does that work like that? Did the pivot on that? Did I change that? I think I did. Oh golly gosh, gee. I need to set up a new way to flip stuff if it's a specific thing. Following. So, wait a minute, what's flipping it? Piece. Is it from here? Cast ray for flip. Okay. So it's a good cast ray for flip. It does this whole stupid thing. Right. I need to do something different if. Okay, so if something different, else this. Okay. So if cast collider name is bar piece, then we'll do the exact same thing, but move it left or right depending on if it's being, oh man, that's way too much. Yeah, Banana, I saw that photo. It's pretty neat. Whew. Oh, here we go. I know. If this is less than 0, else do the other thing. Okay. So it goes like this. Or like this. And we will totally make a wild guess. No, let's not. Okay, if the scale went like that, you do want to move it. Okay, I think this is right. If I only put in a semicolon instead of a colon where necessary. There we go. Okay, now when we flip the ball spawner, it shouldn't be all weird. Yep, it does exactly what it should do. Except for the part where the fucking spawn doesn't happen in the right place. What? Oh, oh, man. Hmm. 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 This is a conundrum. Let's look at the ball spawner here. Let's get me in the position of the game object, but maybe I'd rather have the position of the sprite, which I think is a thing I can get. Is all of this stuff? Let's see real quick. I'm curious if I change the scale like this. Yeah, okay, you know what? I have a better idea. Since it moves the colliders and in turn most likely moves the outblock too. Yes, it does. I think I'll just make it so that there's a child piece that does the spawning. Oh my god, Knock with the 100 freaking poggers, bits. Getting that booty badge. How dare you take that away from Cappy? Thank you very much. Oh, that reminds me. Yeah, I need a snack. Oh, Cappy coming out on top. It's a race for the top badge contributor. Thank you very much, Cappy. Oh, god damn it, Raggy. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness. Thank you, Raggy. Thank you, Knock. For the Twitch Prime resubs. That's entirely too kind of you both. I actually need to show you guys. Let me give you a link. Let's see, where was I? Okay. Alright, so yeah, so this is the only thing that spawns a ball. Let's add a ball spawner piece to its children. Just make an empty object. Why is there a oh, because it's right, prefab. So to remove this. An object. Ball spawner. Let's go back in here and change out that weird well, no, we'll leave the special stuff in there though for now. Oh, jeez. Guys. Thank you, Raggy, for the 108 bits. How long have I been working on this game total? Technically I started in the middle of GDC, like literally on that Wednesday of GDC. So Apparently it's snowing in the Midwest and somebody has 8 to 14 inches over 2 days. Wow, that sucks. Let's see. I need to stop interneting when I'm broadcasting. Oh, we've got a tie. A bit leader tie at 108. Oh yeah, that's why I love these visualizers. They got like some classic shit, some new shit, some shit that's copying my game. It's fantastic. Yeah, no, tell me the bugs, Knock. Just keep in mind what's on that site is not the latest. So there's probably gonna be some pretty easy to find bugs. And Cappy takes the lead. I mean, you got the link and password in Mumble. You know, as it is, I can't give this out yet because you know, what the game is now is actually probably more like it could be more freeing than the eventual game I try selling. So, oh geez, the bit fight going on. Thanks to both of you for fighting back and forth for the bit lead. Don't let things get out of hand now. I'm not gonna try to get him. Drop them on behalf of Dazzy. If marble enters the tube and is snapped to another while the marble's still in it, it will count the points as if they're originally snapped together. Wait, I'm not sure what that means. If a marble enters a tube and is snapped to another, let me just try to recreate this real quick. So we'll make a tube, make another tube. So we have 2 and 3. If a marble bounces into an unsnapped tube. Oh, snapping, oh, Knock, I don't know if I mentioned this, but snapping doesn't matter anymore. It ends up being more fun to just not force the snapping. Like, you can hit F and no more snapping even happens. So this is normal play now. Yeah, exactly. The thing what it came down to was that I was really concerned about how points were going to be added up. And then after I realized I could just be having the points be tracked by the balls themselves, it didn't really matter. Like, you can even do overlapping like this if you want, and I just don't care anymore. You can do this weird shit. You have all the freedom you want, because the thing is, in the end, the actual limitation comes with how many pieces have you bought, and how many of those are being used in the tower. I don't think it's necessary to have any further limitations to the game, as long as the points are being correctly added up, which they are now. I changed how that system works, So yeah, I like it like this. Put the pieces right next to each other, it stops the marbles. Yes, it's okay to stop the marbles now. I'm going to allow it. If the thing is, one of the limitations on the final game is how many marbles are going to be allowed on the playfield at a single time. So if you do stop the marbles for whatever nefarious means you have, you'll only ever have the maximum number of marbles on the field all built up anyway. And it's just like, well, then you're screwing yourself out of getting extra points, you know? Because you want as many points over time as you can get. That's what the real point is. I'm getting like 10 million Pokken tournament emotes. Yeah, Cappy, there's a lot of weird emotes that I now have because of that stuff, and I really don't understand it. I have like a Overwatch League 2019 Tracer set. I have I still have like lyric stuff? Does that even work? Yeah, I don't know why I have lyric emotes. Like, I'm not I never subbed to him. I think I got like a gift sub at one point, but that was a long time ago. So what else do I have? Oh yeah, the Prime emotes, all this random bullshit, all the Pokemons. And then, yeah, Frankerface, Better Twitch TV, all that dumb shit. Yeah, the marble clogging is a feature, actually. So here's what I'm gonna eventually have, I think. So I was trying to come up. Oh, right. Actually, I need to put this in the to-do. I'm gonna get the to-do list out. It's actually been a bit here. I'm supposed to be doing, okay. More ball spawners is done. Parallax piece deletion, ramp piece, that's all good. Let me add to the to-do list, can't click through balls. Okay. Something weird with that. So yeah, knock, exactly. So I needed, my friend was like, well, the way it's set up, you have to have a single tower for it to be fun, or for you to get maximum points. There needs to be some kind of incentive for having like multiple towers going. And I figured it out already. And here's the deal, right? So let's set up, since it's easy with the funnel, let's set up something where a single, you know, I have it so that you can make more ball spawners right now. Oh no. Oh no. Hold on a minute. I just messed something up and need to fix it. Baller button. Oh, right, because I removed the ball spawner. Okay, let me put that back in. Baller piece. And then baller button. So that should, wait a minute, ball spawner. Piece spawner, there we go, baller piece. No, wait, there we go, okay. So you can get the balls to split pretty easily with the funnel piece. Just because of like, it'll go in random ways if you get it to bounce just right along a certain, yeah, so like, you know, technically you've got these two paths now. This is the way this is dropping, right? And so you could go like this. Okay, so you need some way to say like, oh, if you're gonna do this, there's no incentive to doing it because a single tower gets you more points. Like this is 2, 3, 3, as opposed to like 2, 3, 4 with no split. So what I came up with is when the balls go past the bottom of the screen, there will be like a goal, like just a huge checkerboard just across the bottom, right? When they get past, they will add to your score the accumulation of points. So this way, you know, making a machine where the balls just get stuck doesn't get you anything, right? Like eventually you run out of balls on screen. They need to pass the goal for you to get more points. Which just means just drop off the bottom, you get points. Now, the way to make it so that having two splits matters is that if you take the amount of time between balls spawning, right? So in this case, it's 1 second. So that's the window that we test against. So the checkpoint notices a ball crosses it. And it says, okay, was there 1 ball within the time window, 2 balls, or 3 balls within the time window? And it will, instead of just giving the total accumulation of points down the tower, it'll actually take that and then multiply it by the 2 balls or the 3 balls that actually crossed over in the amount of time in the window. And I did the math on that, and it turns out that it's always pretty close to Here, let me make this easier to understand. And also easier to see. Because just explaining it in words is kind of messed up. Okay. So we've got 5 pieces, right? So you take, how much does a single ball get when you add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then you take that number and compare it to if you had a single split going down 2 pieces and then another part of the split going down 3 pieces. But then you multiply the 2 pieces by 2 and then the 3 pieces by 2 because the balls cross within that window and add that together. Those total numbers equal, like almost equal, the same as if it was a long tower. And this works through all the different splits of numbering. It's just the way the math is. So because it's pretty similar, it's down to the player which one they want to do. Like there's, neither of them are ever ahead of the other in any significant way. And when I was testing the numbers, it seemed like sometimes the split would be a little bit ahead of a full tower, and sometimes a full tower would be a little bit ahead of a split. It just sort of depends on which kinds of splits you're doing, which numbers you're going for. But yeah, basically through adding that bonus of how many balls pass over a certain time, you incentivize either kind of play. So I'm happy about that. Okay, now I'm going to actually read everything asked before I started explaining that. So yeah, big combos for many marbles passing per second. Pieces snap together. So Banana Man, there's basically currently a shortcut key that lets you say, okay, I want to move stuff on a snapped plane, or I don't want to move stuff on a snapped plane at all. So it's up to the player if they want a snapped plane or not. It's an option. I'll add a UI option for that as well. Would be a function to nudge the balls. I mean, with your mouse or with your tapping? No, I'm gonna say there's no good reason for that. You can just nudge them with the pieces, after all. Like maybe I'll just add a full block that has collision so that you can like, yeah, I think I'm actually gonna add pieces that aren't pipes at all, so that you can like say, have like a piece like this that's like a 45-degree angle, and you just use it to reflect like where the balls go, and that's all it'll be used for. And since it'll be a thick piece, you can actually like slide it around and hit stuff, and it won't like pass through it because it'll be a thicker piece. So then that's how you can nudge the balls. Guy Fieri haunts your dreams. What, this guy? Yeah, cascading piano roll of balls for top tier play. That might end up being a thing. We'll see. Oh shit, I just realized I need to lower my bit rate. Gotta save on those bits. Save those uploads. Okay, so where was I? What's on my to-do list? I need to fix the can't click through doubles. Thought I fixed that. Let's take a look. Oh, and then ball spawner, and then say general piece, so it follows flips. Okay. First, the click-through ball is the problem because that should have been solved already. Looks for a slide tag. Okay, if it's a slide tag, so for each, checks for a slide tag. Balls currently have the ball tag. So why are they slide tag for each? Alright, we'll do it this way. We attach. Play. Oh, wait a minute, that's probably gonna do every click, isn't it? Yeah, okay, so we want it actually in there. Continue. Okay, so we can click around and click around. Click that, that's correct. Yep. Continue. Oh geez. Okay, I need to get rid of that. Hit continue. We need to place this. We place one of these. Yeah, this right here is what I need to check. So go back in and click and nothing. Okay, that's not good. Why is it being interrupted by the ball? Raycast all. For each cast hit. Okay, what if we do this? Unpause, click, go in. So this should have hit somewhere. Cast 2D hit. Cast collider. Cast collider tag. We don't want cast, we want to look at hit. Where's hit? Why can't I find it? Okay, I have to instead do this. Hit continue. Try again. Now we've got hit. Add you to the watch list. Back down here. Continue. Okay, so Unity Engine Raycast hit 2D. 4 things are hit. What are these 4 things? The ball, the piece. Okay. So why isn't it? Or each cast in hit. So it's got this cast, which is the ball. It just skips. It goes to else. Oh, fuck, that's why, because it's going to an else. And returning from the else. I fucked myself. So it's time to unfuck myself. Else if cast collider tag equals ball tag. No. Else. Fix the spacing. You piece of shit. Okay. If it's this, then you want to either continue or break. What is it? Continue. What are the things that we want this? So it's already being filtered out of UI. Don't have to worry about that. It'll touch. Yeah, this might be it. I think this is it. This should fix that bug. So we'll just check this way. Whoop. I really need to fix that. Okay. Yeah, that's very good. That is very, very good. Solid. Bug fixed. Wall spawner as child piece so it follows flips. No problemo. That's as simple as taking the wall spawner script, putting it into here. Oh, let's have to unplay. Wall spawner, pasting, removing it from baller piece. Double checking the script to make sure it didn't care about the name being baller piece. Ball spawner, ball, doesn't seem to care. This all seems right. Okay, now we'll take baller piece and put it as a prefab. Now that it's fixed, hit play. Ball spawning, we flip it. Nope, still goes to the wrong place. Okay. Ball spawner is in the corner. That's correct. And when outblock gets flipped in scale, oh, nope, not outblock. When baller piece gets flipped in scale. Oh, I know exactly what happened. Okay. I actually do need to get rid of that stupid thing I did up here with this. Let's just, in case, comment this out. Just like this. Here, and this should work. Nope. What did I do? Ball spawner. Let's do this for the hell of it. Ball spawner. Spawner doesn't need any tags. Let's put on the note biz. Let's give it a sprite. So that's where it is. And then if we do this, we right click. Oh, it's because it stays in the same position. Yeah, I know what to do now. Okay. Ball spawner needs to be at 0.5, negative 0.5. And then when it flips, yeah, okay. And then we just change the spawner to be +0. Because it's going to end up being the position of the spawner itself, which we actually want it like 0.4 or maybe 0.1, I can't remember, but this should do it. Whoops. Okay, I need to really fix that shit too. But better. Yep, alright, that's cool. I'll take it. Let's take away this sprite render. Throw a baller piece into prefabs one more time. And that is done to do. Parallax background. Okay. Parallax background. So anytime we move the camera, we want the background to move as well. And unfortunately, that gets a little fucky now that I introduced lerping into the camera movements. But I think if we simply say that the background location is always going to be something specific based on where the camera is, we should be fine. So every update, every late update even, we'll do it here. Okay, we want to get the background first. Do we already have the background? We don't. Okay. So we'll say public game object background. Go background. So we can just say in the game script. Did I compile this? Okay. In the game script, there it is, go background, which will be this. So when the camera is at 0, 0, we want the background at 0, 0. But if the camera's at like 1, 1, then we want the background to be at 0.5, 0.5. That's the kind of math we're gonna do. Where did I put that late update? Update. Late update, there we go. Let's move this down to the really useless area. Is there an extra? Is that right? Okay. Some bad spacing there. Cast rate from muted, cast rate from flip. Okay. We're in late update. We want to say if well, we already know the camera is at can transform. Still camera main transform position. It's not equal. Do we still have old cam pause somewhere? Old cam pause in current document. We have it. Oh, there it is. No. Size pause. We're using old cam pause down here. Okay. Are we always getting old cam pause? No, it's only here. We can actually move this out because we do want to get it every frame. And then we can use it down here. Old cam pause. This might work. Let's check real quick and see just before I make more code. Debug log. Moving cam. Debug logs I don't want anymore. I'm pretty sure I had one somewhere, but I can't find it now. And the ray tracing. Clicking. No. I could have sworn there was one, but we'll check. Oh, what's this? Okay. Okay, good. It does check every single time. That's exactly when it should. So, late update. If it doesn't equal, then we're going to change background position. We have go background dot transform dot position equals. It's always going to equal camera position. So this divided by 2. Let's see what this kind of parallax does to our brains. Ooh, it works perfectly! Yes! Oh yeah, that's good looking. Worked on the first try, motherfuckers. I love it. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy with this. Oh god. Oh no. Oh, I've broken something already. Oh dear, oh me, oh my. How did I do that? How did I already break something that bad? First try with a bug added. As soon as I start dragging outside, it completely gets fucked. Okay, cool. Why is that? Really, just because of this call, I can't drag stuff anymore? I must have fucked something up. Something up real bad. So what did I fuck up? I think what I fucked up was setting old cam position to be outside of this. So, camera size. No, that doesn't seem right. Well, let's see what happens when we get rid of this first. I totally messed something up real stupid like. Man, just that late update alone, huh? Just saying if the position changed. So weird. Okay. What if we just put it at the end of update then? Have fun being responsible, Cappy. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for the bits. Thanks for the sub. Thanks. See you next time. Okay. Alright. That looks fine by me. Could be a little smoother when it's fast, but whatever, I'm not about to add. Wait a minute, now it's actually not working? Wait, it works when I zoom, but not when I drag like this. Did I put a return in the update? No. Thank you, I will need it. Where are my returns? No. Return. A return and a cast rate for flip? Is that why? No, it's not that. Could be the cast rate for move. Cast rate for move. Let's check and see if these are causing problems. So we got to return here. The next thing it should do is go into the update. Cast rate for move from get button down. That's in update. And then it should continue. Yeah, which it does. What the fuck is going on? It's ignoring the fact that I have... Oh man, this is... The fact that it happens just because I add this, though, is so dumb and weird and wrong. Okay, reattach. Yeah, just continue, thanks. Ugh, okay.
Southern Cross I saw every night abeam. The sun every morning came up astern. Every evening it went down ahead.
Alright, well now this is all fucked. Okay, let's get rid of this. Hit continue. Let's place our pieces.
It was my ship on her course, sailing as no other ship had ever sailed before in the world.
So here's the thing. If it hits a slide, it's gonna return. What do I need it to do? What do I need this to do? Wait, okay, let's make sure it's broken. Let's get it broken first. Wait. Oh. Right. Yeah, okay. Now it's broken. Go back. Add these. Click on a slot. It gets the else movement, which means it went through, didn't find the slide or the ball because it found something else. What is this? What is that extra thing there? Is that causing the issue? That shouldn't be there. Okay. Let's do this again, because that was some cool shit finding that. Extra semicolon. I'm curious if that was the problem or not. So let's go ahead and do this. We do this. We try to move. Doesn't work. Okay, go back into the code. Hit attach it. Okay. Didn't find the slide, didn't find the ball. So it found something else and says camera. This is now camera movement. Okay, I see. I think I see. This shouldn't be here.
Grove salad, a nicely chilled plate of ambient beets and groves.
It should only be. It found nothing. Actually, it should be like this. Okay, so for each check, is it a slide? Yeah, okay. Slide, it returns. It's not a slide. Move around. But if it's a ball, continue the for each. I think that's it. This should hopefully be it. So we'll set it up to do this so we can test everything. All right, so this moves, this moves. We do this, which breaks it. This moves, this moves. We can go back. Okay, good. That means we can actually move it back to late update and we'll be done. So now we can move around, got good parallax. We can zoom, we got good parallax. Replace slide, place is fine. We can move, parallax, keep moving the pieces. Fucking yay! To-do, parallax, background, done. Piece deletion. So there's two kinds of piece deletion. We want to do individual piece deletion and wipe the board deletion. So we'll want every piece script to have a call. And that call is going to be delete me. And it will destroy this. Nice and simple. Now the question is, what calls it? Well, in the game script, we'll do another raycast. Let's see. We'll make it middle click for now. So if input get mouse button down 2. Cast ray for deletion. We will basically copy this. Don't need that anymore. Or deletion. All right, we get the thing if it's a slide tag with a script. We ask that script we need to get the script. Is this even necessary? If it has a script or not? I don't think that's actually necessary. We can get rid of this one for the yeah, I think so. Get rid of this for this and get rid of it for the other call as well. Flipping. Because we're not calling anything in there. So, whoops. Okay. That, and that. Or actually, no, we do need it. Derp. We do need it for this. And then we'll do this over this. So if that, there we go. Slider dot, what did I say? Delete me? Yeah, delete me. All right, that is it for the middle click deletion. Let's see if it works. It doesn't. Fantastic. Of course, I don't know if get button down 2 is actually the mouse wheel button. So that's something I need to find out. Scope check. Unity, get mouse button down. 0, 1, and 2. 2 is middle click. Well, golly gee then, why won't it get deleted? Let's make sure it's being tracked. Middle clicked. And then if we assume that it does get in here, log got here. Okay. Replay. Add a piece, try to delete. Got here. Wow, so it got there. We said slider is the collider, the thing that we hit, script, slider dot, delete me. Which means it deleted the collider, not the object. Ooh. Wait, what? Wait, what just happened here? Hold on. What got deleted? Something got deleted from the object, but it wasn't the entire object. It was like, oh, the script. What? Destroy this. No, destroy game object. This is the script component, not the game object. Alright, that's neat that you can just destroy components like that. Yeah, that's better. That works much nicer. Oh, that is a goofy thing. Okay. Okay, so I make all this stuff, you middle click delete. Alright. And then last part of this specific thing is let's see. Where's all of the oh, we have all of it in piece spawner. Well, get rid of this. Another one of those. Okay. If input get key down, what do you want to say? Z? Then we are going to do a for loop. For each game object. How do I do this? I want to find any object with tag. Game object go delete wait, game object array equals new game object. No, that requires some bullshit. We'll just say
If you like the music you're listening to right now, we need you to step up and support Soma FM. Go to somafm.com/support. You can either do a one-time $50 donation and get a Soma FM t-shirt, or you can do a monthly payment plan as well for as little as $1 a month. That's somafm.com/support.
Spinning the virtual show. This is Big Earl on Groove Salad.
Always get spawned with slide tag. Right. Okay, good. So this is going to find game objects with the tag slide tag. Is that whale okay? I think it is. So delete that. Okay, can't do that. Slide script, go script. Script equals delete dot get component slide script go script dot delete me. I think that'll do it, but let's find out. 1, 2, oh, that's already bad. Z is an unknown input key. Well, I think I know why that is. But I need to remember how to get to the thing that has all that. I don't think I've heard this song before. And I already like it. Okay. Didn't like capital Z. And that completely crashes my game. Great. Just great. Really shouldn't have done that. Alright. Unity recovered crashed scene. Now I have to do this bullshit. Thank you, Unity, for being unable to catch infinite loops. Right. Gotta find the temp backup folder. Let's, oh no, did the other visualizer disappear? How did that happen? Weird. Anyways. Excuse me while I recover my stupidly crashed scene. Excuse me? Okay, there it is. This was the wrong. Oh, Jesus, that's the wrong thing. I need to move this over. Unpin this. Okay. Tab. Backup scenes. Okay. Copy the file, replace the previous scene file with copy. Okay, where's the previous scene file? .unity file extension. I don't see that. Assets? Scenes. There it is. I need to really change this from being a sample scene. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works. I think I may have just opened it up in the wrong version of Unity, but let's see. That other visualizer go. Come on. Please. OBS, stop breaking. Oh, I think that's the right one. Oh, what? Okay, great. I apparently was never launching the right version of Unity. And I'm only finding that out now. Hey, open Unity Hub. Why are you opening on the wrong install? You stupid mother... Come on, Unity, open up already. You were so close to opening, and then you just disappeared. There you are. Hello. Hello, Unity. Whoa. You lost my ID. Okay. There we go. Oh no, wait. Oh god, no. Oh geez. Okay. Okay. I need to get rid of that infinite while loop. So let's fix that real quick. Okay, game objects with tag. Replace, that sends back an array of game objects, but turns a list of active game objects. Okay. New game object array. Go delete equals is. Wait, game object go delete. Game object array go delete equals new. Equals. I don't think I need new. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do this. You know what? Let's start over here. Unity, find game objects with tag. We've got the documentation, and it's supposed to be. Doesn't even matter. Cool. Sweet. We should be able to just do it like this. Alright. For each game object go delete game object go del in go delete. Go script is go del. And then that doesn't work. Why not? Because there's no semicolon. Does that work? It does not. Because there's... I don't know why. Go delete. And go side script. Go script. For each... Because I need one more of these. No? Semicolon. What am I missing here? What did I fuck up? If for each Okay, I don't know what's going on. Something with the spacing maybe. If input get key down z. Okay. We'll do some of this and say for each. Oh, it doesn't like my for each. Did I do for each wrong? For each unity. For each series. For each. No, that's. Is it this call? It is. Doesn't like this. Because it's supposed to happen up top. Alright, fine. Picky. C#. Piece of shit. Now it's happy. Now let's make sure everything is in its right place. We've got the prefabs. Prefabs. Baller piece. Make sure that's correct. Yes. Yes, that is all correct. Good. Let's save. And hit play. 1, 2, 3, 4, hit Z and it all deletes. Z and it all deletes. It all deletes. Okay, why isn't it mad? Why is it mad about this? Missing reference to a variable volley please span doesn't exist anymore. I mean, yeah. Okay, so something didn't save. Great, cool, thanks for that. Unity, what is it? Loading text prefab 2. No, that's not even what I'm supposed to be looking at. I want piece spawner. Piece spawner. Missing baller piece. Oh, that's scary. I still have my UI right? Okay. Does the UI still do the right thing? Hello, Comrade Cry. That's a nice whatever that is. Wait. Jen has an emote with Vinny's face on it? What's JMF? Is that Vinny's face? I mean, it says JMF Vin. That's a weird emote, dude. Okay, that works. That works. That works. This works. And this also works. Okay, hit Z. We're all good. Z. Fuck. Yes, I'll take it. Make it rain on all them pieces. Make it rain to balls. Make it slow everything down. Cool. And you can middle click on anything and that'll remove it. Let's delete the got here's and middle click debug logs. Okay. So that's another to-do down the drain. I love how quickly I'm getting this shit done. Piece deletion. Oh boy. Oh boy, y'all. Oh boy. I forgot something. I'm gonna put it in now. Double click to flip. Because we want this to work better on mobile devices. So a pretty simple way of doing that should be yeah. Okay. If it gets mouse button up twice, now wait a minute. Yeah, it'll happen on this, I think. Let's end up here. Float clicked equals 0. Float click time equals 0. Float click delay equals 5f. plus if clicked equals 1. We'll just code this like this person does it and be really, really shitty. Click time equals time.time. If click is more than 1, and time.time minus click time is less than click delay. Click equals 0, click time equals 0, and we are now double clicked, so the flip should occur oh shit, I do the flip from GameScript? I do. Okay, now I'm gonna throw one in here. Object.transform. And then else if click 22 or time.t minus click time is greater than 1. Clicked equals 0. Alright, shitty looking code. Let's see how well it works. Holy shit. Everything flips. Alright, well that's terrible. Grab all this code, go back to GameScript. We'll do another casted ray. It's time for a different kind of flip. Void cast ray for double flip. This, put it up top. Used for double click flipping. Dirty hack for mobile. Wait a minute. This isn't right. Okay. Wait a minute. I got an idea. We're gonna look for mouse up here, just right here. Okay. Plus, if that, then what you're gonna do is cast ray for flip from here, and that might be it. Please center the Y-Object, you can't fucking breathe. Oh, hey Jala. Thanks for the bits, dude. Thanks for the 2 bits. Center the Y object. Are you talking about This? Like the fact that it flips back and forth like this? Is that what you're mad about? Because that kind of stuff is because of how my artist built the art, and yeah, it's gonna get fixed down the line. We're gonna change how the images are put into the game, and then it'll be fixed. But for now, it's unfortunately not fixable. So where was I and what was I doing? I was flipping stuff with a double click, double click, double click, double click, double click, double click. Okay, it works for that. Works for this. You really gotta get on there. Okay. Yeah, no, I specifically complained about it to him yesterday, so don't worry, it will be fixed. Oh man, I'm so happy with that parallax. It looks so nice now. You get a ton of different small things. Yeah. Yeah, that parallax. Maybe I should have a parallax zoom too, so it gets larger and smaller based on the orthographic size of the, oh man, what's gonna, to do, double click the flip is done, but now we're gonna do parallax zoom. I'm really holding off that ramp piece work, huh? Okay, let's hit up the place where I did the last parallax, which was in late update right here. Okay. If camera name orthographic size is not equal to the last orthographic size it had, which is a old cam pause. No, old cam size. Old cam size. Is that only set? Yeah, of course it's only set. Alright, let's move you out now. Because it should be fine out there. Late update does not equal old cam size. So this math is going to be a little fuckier. Go background, transform, local scale equals new vector 3 something something something, but it's going to use camera main orthographic size, camera main orthographic size. So by default, the camera is size 10. So we hit play. See, the camera size is 10. The background. What is this dumb song? This is Underworld. Hi Raggy, thanks for the bits. Background. Scale of, oof. Let's make this a little easier and just make it 3x3. Z doesn't matter. Never thank for me for anything ever, it's rude. Okay, Raggy, no thank you for the bits. So at 10, we'll have it be 3. What kind of scaling do we want here? If it's at 20, if we made it 4, ooh. If we made it 4 at 20. Wait, I'm even 3 by 3, 4 by 4. If the camera was 20. Sure. So how do I do that? Three at 10 would be like divided by 3. At 20 divided by 3 would be 18 would be 6. If it divided by 3. So that's not good. But you know what? Let's see what it looks like anyway. Because I'm curious. Let's see how dizzy this makes us. Woo! Whoop. That's very incorrect. That's extremely not what I wanted at all. That's just weird. I think I just did like the perfect worst number. What if we just divide it by 10? That'll be even worse actually, but let's see. No, it made the background static, which was like not correct at all. I'm sure if it was pi, it would be literally 1-to-1, some dumb thing like that. Oh, wait. No, wait a minute. This is... Okay, I see what's happening now. Something really bad is happening. It's setting a size and then it just never cares again. In other words, after the first zoom, it doesn't even do it. So if we actually do a debug on this, actually, well, no, let's do that again. So if we hit play, and we do one zoom, we'll hit this, hit continue. Alright, do it again. Oh, wait, what? Continue. It's actually getting in there? Oh. Go background, transform, local scale is current size divided by 3. Huh, okay. So this is weirder than I thought. It's not parallaxing, it's always going to be, no matter what your perspective, it's going to look the same no matter what. So it's less about doing a division. Man, that's a weird mappy thing that I don't know about. If you just do like -3, does that make it do some scaly shit? Whoa! Ooh. So wait, what if we did divided by 3 and then to make it actually move around? Plus 5. I don't know. Just say plus 5 because why not? Well, not quite. When it's okay, well, first of all, it's not inverse scaling. That's an issue. So maybe minus 5. We have size. Can this be the square root of the orthographic size? Like, really large numbers shouldn't add that much. Let's try math.sort of this. Minus 5. Math.square root. Minus 5. I'm gonna trip on the correct answer at some point here, I promise. This is just how math and me work. Oh boy. Well, that did something. Okay, let's not bother with that. I'm pretty sure this will still just flatten it, whatever it is. But let's make sure. I don't know. This is actually exactly what I want? Wow, I think that did it. You got your parallax. You can see more when you zoom out. But if you zoom in, it zooms in. Shit! Square root might have been it. I think. Yeah, because like, oh yeah, that's really good. Huh. Still not. Yeah, I like it. Save. I can improve it later, but for now, that's actually perfect for what I intended. Which means we're here, everybody. Ramped piece. So for this, I'm going to be opening up Photoshop first. Speaking of, I still need to go find that, there's like a new Photoshop out. Some kind of free Photoshop that I can't remember what it's called. I want to try that. See if it's any good. Since Photoshop's open, bring that up for the stream. Cool, I just accidentally moved something and I don't know what it was. Photoshop. I can't edit this. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I have the PSDs. Oh, jeez, I shouldn't be. Wait, you can't see that, can you? Oh, thank God you can't see that. Okay. That was close. Almost showing personal computer information. He gave me the PSDs. Where did I put the PSDs? I think I put them in here. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Textures, PSDs, there we go. So what do we want? We want to look at tube. Let's see how he did the loop. I'm kind of curious about this first. Can I? Oh, it's literally just one layer, so I can't actually make this as crazy as I want. Alright. And then there's the mask. And then he gave me some instructions for how to do this shit, but I have no idea. So I'm just gonna do it the stupid way I know. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's how I know. I know the stupid way. Really crappy Photoshop. Really, really awful drawing that I can't do. Don't worry, the final piece will not look like this. This is purely for my own purposes. Yeah, you know what, before I do this, wow, canceling takes a while. Stomach's rumbling. Can I just do that real quick? Yeah, let's just make these nice and flat. Just so it's not the worst thing in the world. Okay. Now we will save for web. PNG. Awful. Where is this? Okay. Okay, we're done with Photoshop. What do I want? Textures. Import new asset. Pictures. Oh, let's roll. Awful ramp. Okay, so we're gonna make a new. Oh, what the hell? Let's go ahead and make another baller piece. No, not a baller piece. I want to take the preset of a normal long piece. Take it out. We will remove the long piece from the prefab. We will now call it ramp piece. 0, 0. We can move this baller piece elsewhere. It's time to crunch. I'm hungry. Let's eat peanut butter cup. Hmm. Mm-mm. Okay. Rip piece. Scale 1 to 1. We're gonna remove this sprite render or not. We're just gonna change the sprite completely to awful ramp. Oh my goodness. I have done something horrible. That's not right at all. Oh, wait, it's because of the material. No material. Sure, now it's this pink thing. Maybe I should make a new material. Let's see, what kind of shader did he use? Oh, he just made a fucking custom shader, right? I can't do that because I'm not smart enough for that. Oh well. It's just gonna be this dumb pink thing. Why is it so huge? 0.25, 0.25. I think that matches closer to what it should be, right? Yeah, if I move it over next, if I move this over, then it kind of matches in size. Mostly. Mostly. Okay. So the colliders are all wrong. So let's just get rid of all of them. I just realized making this is going to be a little bit of a pain in the ass and I shouldn't do it. Well, you know what? I'll just make a really stupid simple one. Polygon collector. Yeah. Okay. Cool. That's exactly what I wanted. So now we'll make another one. Except this one gonna size down to 1. And first of all, I want to turn off this one so I can see this one. Oh my. What? What? Ugh. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, they don't make editing very easy for these. Okay. Let's get you over here. You over here. Get a dot point here. Alright. Now... yeah, I want something like this, I think. Fuck! No! Other one. Yes. There we go. Okay. Delete, delete. Okay. So here's the thing, actually. We know to do this, this, and this. We've got this here. And then I think something like this is what I want. Yeah, pretty simple triangle, actually. So how am I gonna do what I want to do here? So let's edit the other collider because there's something fucky that I need to fix. Which is this little outcropping. This needs to not be here. That's better. This is going to be so messy. Alright, trigger, not a trigger. This is a trigger. You can let Genly know that it needs to be a potato and not an apple. But unfortunately, potato meme is not a part of this particular Twitch community at the moment. Oh man, it's a Hohokum song. Hohokum is not Japanese, which is the funny part about what you said. It was made by English people, and nothing about it is Japanesey. Let's see if it was actually made by the same person. Yep, this is straight off of the Hohokum soundtrack. Called it. Alright, this is more or less a test of how the fuck am I going to do a specific thing. Let me get rid of these. So the question is... if the ball sees that it's going into a specific kind of collider, it needs to then accelerate into a specific specific direction. And because the thing can be flipped, the direction would be flipped too. How would we know? How would we get that? This is a more difficult problem than I would like to deal with. This might be something I have to shower think on or sleep think on. See ya, comrade. Oh, I need to check something. So what are we gonna look at? We're gonna look at the orientation of the game object. That's what we'll look at. If the scale is positive, then we know we go right. If it's negative, we go left. Okay, so this is going to end up being a part of the ball script. If the ball on trigger enter, we want to look at Collider 2D. If Collider 2D dot parent name found name transform parent name name equals ramp piece. Then if Collider 2D transform parent position equals scale x is greater than 0, else. So here's a fun part where we go, hey, this game object dot velocity? No. How do we get a velocity of a game object? Maybe it's transform velocity? Transform vector? We get velocity rigid body. Does the ball have a rigid body? I think it does. Let's get one out here to double check. Yes, it does. And it's dynamic as it should be. Alright, velocity vector. In most cases, you should not modify the velocity vector, as this can result in unrealistic behavior. Do not set the velocity of an object. Every physics set this will lead to unrealistic. Typically, usage where you change the velocity, so when you jump in first-person shooter, because you want to, yeah. Oh, no. I am absolutely gonna set velocity, buddy. Hey, buddy, a guy. Now the question is, can I translate velocity? So what we're actually gonna get is the rigid body first. Yeah, okay. Public rigid. This is probably not gonna work because I need to set this up here. So I'll just do that. Public private. Public rigid body 2D RB 2D. At start, RB2D equals game object dot get component rigid body 2D, and down here we say RB2D dot velocity equals new vector 3 RB2D dot velocity dot x B2D dot velocity dot y. I think we can just make this a vector 2, right? See what you think of that. See if you hate me for that. Well, that makes better sense. That works. Good. Same down here. Difference being you are now going to, instead of do this, you can add 5 to the x, and from here you subtract 5 because it's split. Let's see how shitty this ends up. Because I'm sure curious. Well, doesn't work at all. Or wait, does it not work at all? Object, oh, I think it does work, but what's this bug? If equals. Object reference not set to an instance. Because there's no parent. We don't have to look at the parent. There is no parent. Ramp piece. Okay. I see. 5 is not enough. Well, how about 25? Oh, Cappy. Apple charged you? Keep in mind that if you gave me $11 worth of bits, you paid more than $11, so just FYI. I don't know why. I don't know, man. I can't tell you. Oh, man. Whoo! Whoosh. Now that's a ramp, huh? How's that for a ramp? Just fucking bashes it into the fucking... It's like, get the fuck out of here. Get the... Oh, Jesus. I really need to fix that. I need to... I wish that wouldn't break the way it does. I need to really figure something better out for that. Zooming. Let's say you can only get to 10, and then you're good. 9. Okay. You can always charge back, Cappy. But then I'll lose those funds. But yeah, I don't know what to tell you, dude. Okay, well, I know how to fix this. We're gonna edit this collider right here to include a couple more points. Like so. Alright, now what does it do? Woo! It ramps away. Well, okay, it's not... Oh, it only does it on entry, though. Okay, right. It only does it on entry. Which means... This shouldn't actually be here. It should be more like here.
Downtempo techno ambient show. Groove Salad on Soma FM.
I think that'll work. First time thing, $7 for 500 bits, and then the other ones are $2 bits, so it should be 11, but I'm doing the math and something doesn't add up. Maybe, yeah, maybe they fucked up the special or something. I don't know. There we go. How's that for a ramp? Oh god, as soon as I do this, I can't see the thing anymore. Probably for the better, it's so fucking ugly. Actually, why do I stop seeing it? That's not right. Oh well. Anyways, the point of this... Yeah, that's the thing. The point is a proof of concept that I can make a ramp piece, and it can do this bullshit. And now it's invisible. I don't know where it is. Well, let's just move it around a little. I don't know why it goes... It's like... It must be going invisible because of the fact it doesn't have the material. But... Oh, perfect. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. And then just basically, depending on where you place it, you'll get sort of a different ramp action. That's great. It's a tax. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you other than just, you know, don't spend all your money on me. You can spend some, but not all. Just don't spend all of it. Look at the way that this movement goes and how none of the balls are touching each other. This is juggling. This is fucking cool. It's like a DBZ character with bits, and he's like generating them behind him, and then he shoots them off or something. I don't know, some anime bullshit like that. I need to record this because this is cool looking, and I want to show somebody. Where did I put that program? There we go. Let's make a recording of this. Okay. Upload, please. Thank you. Copy URL. Okay, so that's cool. I made a ramp piece, but because of the fact that it kind of sucks ass, I'm not going to, you know, make a spawner for it or anything. I think instead what I'm gonna do is... what should I do? I want to do something cool. Like something that adds... Oh, I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna make a trampoline. And it's gonna be super duper easy to make. Alright, let's get rid of this ramp piece because it sucks. We'll throw it in prefabs, but you know, we're not gonna use it. Not yet, anyway. We'll bring it back out once we get the good art for it, and then we'll futz with it some more. But we're gonna take the baller piece. Nah, we're not gonna take the baller piece. Get rid of the baller piece. Well, no, we leave the baller piece there. We're gonna take a prefabbed single piece. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Potato! Hey. How's it going, T-Lobe? Or should I call you Bing Bong? Thank you for the bit. Did you, oh my goodness, Bing Bong with the bits. 13 bits. Oh man, 11 bits. He's just spamming me with bits. 6 bits. 5 bits. 6 more bits. Oh, the Bing Bong bits are coming in. And it's all puppers. It's all the Franker face. You're too kind, buddy. Thank you very much. Okay, we'll do that. We stretch it out by 2. Nope. 2. 3 more bits. Calling them all out. Five more bits. So many bits from the Bing Bongs. Alright, and then here's the fun part. I'm gonna change the physics material on this to be a new material. So let's set up a new physics material. Physics material 2D. Super. Oh no, we'll say slide trampoline. The bounciness of 10 and a friction of 0. Let's see what that does. And so we'll go here. We'll hit this up, and we'll look at. Both physics colliders that aren't. Set them to trampoline. Hit play and see what happens. Oh! 200 more bits from Bing Bongs. You are crazy, sir. But thank you. Oh, my trampoline is a little too strong. Kick it down to 5. Hit play. See what happens. Get a little angular first. Boing. Okay, that's maybe a little too much trampoline. Alright, we'll set it down to 2. Hit play. And a subscription at Tier 1! Bing Bongs VR! Getting the Dave Kablam. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. You are too kind. And 200 bits from Raggy. We have a new leader again. Poor Cappy. Jeez, guys. You're way, way too kind. Oh man, you can do some crazy shit with this. Oh, well, this is already a new piece. Let's change the name, because this is already freaking great. We want to unpack. Bounce piece is what it will be called. We will do that, add it to the prefabs. want to add bounce piece as a button. So we will make a copy and paste of that. Spawn bouncy button. Move it down to 700. 600, make it 200. We'll give it this. Can I use a different one? Yeah, sure. We'll do this. Rotate it 90. Stretch it out 2. Good. One more bit from Cappy. Thank you. Oh my god, more fucking 300 more, 500 more bits from Bings Bongs VR. That is too much, man. That is way too much. And then another Frank Facey bit. Thank you. Seriously, what the hell, guys? Thank you entirely too much. And another one. And another one. And another one. And another. I'm not going to be able to do any work with all of these bits that you are giving me. Another one. And another one. And do another push-up. And another one. And another one. You write another bad song. And another one. Oh, what's that guy's name again? I can't even remember. Khaled, DJ Khaled. At this rate, can Luke even surpass that? Cappy, you don't know Luke. Again, I am not going to invite him in here. I'm not. You guys can invite him, but I won't, because I don't. Being not humble is the last thing I'm gonna be. Another one. Wait, here we go. Hold on, I got a emote for this. Where is it? Fuck. There it is. Another one. Another 2. Oh, I can't do that right. Okay, trampoline, we got the button. Let's add it to the script. We do that in game. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somewhere, right? Not in game, in the P-spawn room, sorry. If input get key, oops, input dot get key down 6. We'll pause. Let me just do this. Spawn single song baller. This is gonna be spawn bouncy. Watch as your last bit is tossed into oblivion. All right, Cappy, I'll watch. You're still third. Your name is at the top of the chat. And like that, my bit reign is over. Cappy, it was a good reign. Don't worry, I won't forget you. You got the train rolling. That's the thing. You were the first one to be the first bit leader. Don't forget that. I won't. You got the train rolling and now I've got more bits. Or I guess at this point, the bus is rolling. Not the bus, the truck. The giant semi is rolling because Bing Bongs VR streams himself in a semi, driving, towing all day like a true gentleman. Rip. Why rip? No rip. Oh, point of view stream. So is that like, are you gonna put a camera on the very front of the truck? Like, you can't see anything but the road? Cause that would be fucking sick, dude. I don't know how legal that, no, that should be fully legal. You can put whatever you want on top of your truck, right? No, to your head. Oh my God. So we'll catch you when you look away, basically. That's funny. That might be pretty fun. Two cameras fused? Oh, what? Are you gonna, is it gonna be stereoscopic? Can I cross my eyes and I can see it? See what you see in 3D? Cause yeah, how's that for some? Would you be the first 3D Twitch streamer? I doubt that. There's no way somebody hasn't already done that using OBS and lots of troubleshooting. Yeah. I mean, you've got a pretty sweet setup so far. I'm sure if anybody can do it, it's you. Okay, spawn bouncy. There's gotta be a better way to do this, but for now, I'm gonna do it the shittiest way. Bouncy piece. Bouncy piece. Here, we set this. We set piece spawner. Compile yet. I need to do another one for the UI. You know what? I just realized a better way of doing this, but I won't worry about it for now. Do that later. Oh no! What did I do wrong? Oh. I don't need posse. There we go. Okay. Go back into Unity. And there it is. Add bounce piece. Okay, bounce piece, bouncy piece, whatever. Should be fun. Right? Let's hit play and find out. Using a Dell laptop from 2014, it yells at me. I love your stream. I don't think another bit will ever be bought. Well, until I figure out this 2094 bit. Honestly, Kathy, that's perfectly fine. Really. I'm doing this for fun. You're making it more fun. Just by hanging out and chatting, so don't worry. I really appreciate it. Boy. 5, 6. Oh no! Oh geez. Oh, well, this is neat. Not quite what I expected. Oh man. Now I need to add 90-degree rotation piece or command? Shit. Shit. Look at that. Look at how goofy fun this is now. Oh man, this is some feature creep to the extreme right here. Oh, oh, no, that goes flying. Oh man, I need to fix that. Okay, well, we just added a trampoline piece. Our to-do list is now so freaking fun. Touch controls, do I not? No. Rotate. Piece control. Okay. So, this is actually new territory because I'm now out of mouse buttons and I need to come up with a ray trace that occurs when you hit the keyboard key. Okay, first of all, I actually need to fix... Man, my voice is fucking going. Streams are not doing well for my health, apparently. Not for my voice health, anyway. Okay, look at this. Look at this. The bounce piece, by default, is rotated. Which means when I'm doing spawns, it's setting the rotation to 0 for some reason. What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Hold on. Hit play. 6. Hit this. Hit this. What? Oh, that's right, the button's still doing the wrong thing. Where is this song going? What the fuck? Yeah, okay, it's still doing this. Whee! Oh, well. That's a problem. Not one I care about too much, but the ball's now going fast enough that it can go through pieces, which I don't really care. I think if people are gonna make their stuff do this, it's up to them. I don't think there's a solution for this. Okay. You know what? I just came up with something.
We'll be on our way.
Whoops. Yeah, flipping this does this stupid thing. No, instead we're gonna say if the piece being rotated is a bounce piece. So we go to the rotation raycast.
We'll be on our way.
Flip. If it's a slide tag, it'll do this. However, we're going to change that. If cast collider dot transform dot name equals bounce piece, do something else. Else, you'll do this. Return. Okay, instead of local scale, it's gonna be local rotation, I think. Local rotation. We keep the rotation of the previous. Actually, I wonder if I can translate Unity translate rotation. There is a transform rotate, but it's weird. It's really weird. What the fuck? Switch to manual? No. Transform position, transform rotate, space bar. Okay, that I think I can do. So instead we're gonna say transform dot rotate. And then we'll say 0, 0, 90. And maybe that'll work. Let's see. Yeah. It does it in a really weird and stupid way, but yep. Whoa, I think I just accidentally deleted something I didn't want to. Yeah, I did. The whole fucking UI. Okay. There we go. Oh, wait, hold on. We need to remove the ball. We don't need that anymore, I don't think. Yeah, no, we're good. We're good, ball. Save. All right, now we can spawn this. And that didn't work at all. Great. Did I change the name of this? Bounce piece. Oh, right. Dot name that contains bounce piece. There, now it rotates along this really shitty pivot. Which unfortunately I can't really change, so just have to deal with it for now. Okay, I need to set bounds for the ball because I currently have it so that it has to get below a certain point to be destroyed, but now that it can go flying off into who the fuck knows land, we need to change that to be different. And it's gonna be as simple as this. Go. Now whenever it leaves the boundaries, it will be destroyed. So let's just do a check to make sure that's working right. We'll add some more bouncers. Line them up. See if we can just maybe mess this up a little bit more. Yeah, just like that. So what we want to do is go back into the scene view, pause, click on a ball, watch its position. Yep. Good. Get back into there. This. Yep. Perfect. Man. just so much done today. Just got so many things done. I think, though, that this might be it for today because it's time for dinner and I am pretty much set on streaming for now. Until I get more bits. You always keep me here with the bits. Oh boy. Yeah, well, it's not time to go to sleep, it's only time to go get dinner, so it's time to crunch. Can't even see my own freaking Makerface emotes on this interface. Why does this interface suck so bad? How do I get... I have to hit channel? Okay, there we go. Alright, well, anyways, thank you everybody who stuck around. I got a lot done today. This was very productive. I will maybe come back at midnight and do a late stream. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. A couple months ago, I talked to Disney Animator. He told me I was working on a movie that doesn't have a name yet, and it takes place in Southeast Asia. That certainly is some information. Oh, Southeast Asia, in other words, Japan. Alright. Play this out the way we usually do. Thank you everybody. Thank you for the new and recurring subscriptions. Thank you for the bits. Thank you for just hanging out and talking. That's really all you need to do. Just hang out. There's like a fart noise in this song. What the hell? But this is how we're playing it off. Good night, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Good night.
Digital.